Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Life of Holyfield. And if this is your first time coming back here, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment. Share it to your friends and everybody, and just tell them how lit it is out here. So on to the next one. As you all know, today is Thursday the 22nd, and it's a Supreme Thursday, week 5, which the champion and the Supreme collab dropped, which had a lot of heat from it, and I was able to cop a lot of it. And so right now I'm just gonna show you a vlog of everything I got. So stay tuned. Yeah, my drop time is in like 20 minutes, so I have time. I'm just gonna sit down and call my bank right now and just make sure I have no problems with my card. And yeah, so this is the High Beach District. And before we just make the drop, I'm just gonna talk about like the items that are gonna be dropping. As you all have seen, is like the drops back has posted everything. But last night I saw an update that the sweatshirt and the shorts were not dropping. Instead, the Skull Pal hoodie, the Skull Pal jacket is gonna drop today. So I was gonna get the sweatshorts and the sweatshirt, but like it's not gonna drop, so I'm just gonna get the Skull Pal hoodie instead. So you guys should just stay tuned. I'm gonna go call my bank right now, and I'll be back with y'all in a moment. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, the video was cut short because my camera actually was out of memory, and I could not delete the photos I had because I did not have my computer on me to transfer everything. My fault for that. I think that was the only L I took today, but that's cool. And yeah, so let's just get on with the show. But first and foremost, before I show you everything I got this week, I want to show you what came through in the mail last week from the Supreme and Undercover collab. So first and foremost, I'm just gonna take this out of the bag. The classic Supreme bag. It came with a cover poster. It says, "Fear of the Black Planet, Public Enemy to Counterattack on the World Supremacy." On the cover, Supreme. It's actually a cool poster, but I sold this items on StockX, so I think I'm gonna have to ship this with them just to make sure that everything is dead stock. And I cannot take the shit out of the bag, but it's the short sleeve counter-attack shirt, and I got that for $58, I guess. And the second one, I have not yet opened the packaging, and I'm about to do that right now. Okay, it also came with a bag, and this is actually the long sleeve counter-attack tee, and it also came with a poster and some stickers. But let's get on with it. First, what I got from today's drop is the pink box logo hat, the peach box logo hat. I actually did not want to get it, but when I saw it in store, like, it actually caught my eye, so I got it for the summer. And this is gonna be my second Supreme hat. I like this actually. Let me put some focus on it. Yeah, so that's it. I got this for $48, and I think I'm gonna be keeping it. And so let's move on. What I got next was the Skull Pal tee. I actually got 2 pairs of this. I actually wanted to make a live cloud video, but unfortunately they would not let me record my phone in the store because I was like in the store when the Supreme dropped. Everything else sold out like immediately, but I was able to get this in second size, so I'm probably gonna sell one and keep one. So because this is mine now, so I'm gonna do the rest of the video wearing this. So how do you like that? So moving on to the show. This is actually a very beautiful jacket. I actually wore it out in the city to take a couple of photos, and I'm gonna put my Instagram right up here. You guys should just give me a follow, like my photos, and comment anything, and I'm gonna give you a follow back. And so let's move on with the show. What I got next was the Be a Champion Supreme Stay in School sweatshirt. I actually did not want this color, but I already chose it first, and then I saw the purple colorway, but then I wanted to get that, but they were like, no, they can't give that to me, or I can't exchange. I was like, alright, but I'm definitely gonna sell this. I bought this just for the sole purpose of selling it. It's actually a very thick hoodie with a gray padding inside, which is very soft. I'm actually gonna put it on so you guys could see like a on body look of what it looks like, and it's actually very good. Is for of high quality and everything, but like this is not for me, so I'm definitely gonna sell it. Get out of the way. What I got next was the blue parka. This is very nice. It has the yellow interior and the blue exterior. I love the color. It's so eye-catching. And it has the champion badge right on the chest. And what I love most about it is that at the rear bottom, it has like the Supreme written all over it, which is very beautiful. I got this for I think 188 bucks. Retail. This is a size large, and I'm definitely gonna sell it, but I'm gonna put it on to show you what it looks like on body. And yeah. Up next, what I got was the white and green jacket, or more popularly known as the Gucci colorway. Is the white champion in front. It just says Supreme in green font in the front, and at the rear it has like a big champion writing all over from the left to the right arm. I got this for 158. I guess is a large. I'm also gonna put it on so that you guys could see what it looks like, but I'm definitely selling it. And putting that out the way, we're going up to the next one. This is the black hoodie with the Supreme pattern on the right. I don't know what it's actually called. I think it retails for 158. I'm gonna carefully take it out of the bag. Second. I got this in an extra large. Here it is. It's actually very beautiful. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna keep it because the profit I'm gonna make off of this is just too much to risk, so I'm gonna sell this. It's just a black plain hoodie, normal Supreme quality with the print on the left and the right that says Supreme. I think this was the most hyped item from the drops, and I wanted to get the red and blue colorway, but it was sold out already. So thank God for this, but I'm still gonna sell it. Moving on, I got the pale yellow small box logo tee. It was 58 bucks. I'm probably gonna keep this one for myself, and I'm also gonna put it on so you can see what it looks like on body. And I just got some briefs for myself. I tried to get like the box one, but like unfortunately, the person that was selling it to me, I think he mistook me and brought the like Hanes shirt, and I didn't know until like, after like I left the store. I found out that he got me the Hanes shirt instead of the briefs, and but I'm gonna go get that tomorrow because I heard it's still in stock, or I guess I'll just get it online. The last pair of clothing I got was the Supreme X Champion sweatpants. It's just a black one I got in large. I've already sold this one, and it just has this champion printed on the pants, and I got it for I think 148 bucks. This is a medium actually, but I've already sold it. And yeah, last thing I got for today was the Morphe case and the Morphe charger. Sorry, I'm tripping. And I'm just gonna take it out of the box. I think I got this for 98 bucks. After tax was like 105, and this was really hyped too because like this charger dropped last season, but the colorway it dropped in was like the red and black, so it was not really popular because the red and black was just like a restock. And I got this. This is the 20K charger, and this is what it looks like. It's actually very heavy, and I think it's gonna retain a lot of battery. And right here, you just have 2 ports to charge it in and everything, but like I don't know, it's really pretty, but it just says Supreme. That's why it's so expensive anyway. But that's it for today. That's all the reviews. Oh yeah, and also when I was going home, my phone also died, but I made a stop at Unique Hype, and I got a bunch of stickers. And this were the stickers that came with the Supreme X undercover shirts, the No Fear for the Black Planet, and the Counterattack stickers. And I got the 3M sticker from Unique Hype today. These are the classic box logo stickers. I got 2 of them, and I don't know what this is, but they just put it in my bag today in the Supreme store. And I got the Supreme undercover box logo sticker. I actually got 2 of them, so I'm just probably gonna start a sticker collection. And I got the Capuana Noriega sticker and 1 more box logo. That's it for today, and I'm just gonna give you guys like an on fit for everything. As you can see, I'm already rocking the skull tee, the skull pile jacket. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna turn around and show you what it looks like. So in case this is an XL. I normally fit a large, so it runs kind of big. In case you're trying to get it, I'm gonna go on to the next one. Alright guys, so if you made it to this point of the video, I'd just like to say a big thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to be posting regularly from now, probably every week. Every Thursday I'll try and get a spot in line in the Supreme store and just show you how everything looks like, what it looks like on body, and how we got it. I'm going to get a new memory card and a new battery, so I'm going to make better vlogs, and you guys should just like and comment, tell me what you were feeling, tell me what you were not feeling. Don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to follow my Instagram right here. And thank you once again. My name is Holyfield, and this is Life of Holyfield.